Hello! Welcome to my presidential suite here at Varana. Yeah, this is quite a huge room. Okay, this is the first space after we enter the room is like a corridor with light brown wooden floor. I really love the floor and also the furnitures because most of them are made of wood. Okay, I personally love wood so much, so I really love the decoration in this room. And this area is a mini kitchenette. Okay, you've got all the things you want, like waters, no plastic bottles, just glass bottles here. And this is the highlight, which is SMEG fridge with cute green color. I think it's hard to get this color out of the fridge, so here is quite unique to have this kind of fridge. And okay, other kinds of drinks are here, and it is well connected to this spacious living room where you can hang out with your friends and family if you come in a small or large group of people. Okay, it's very cozy so far. Okay, with big screen over here. Okay, and that corner is like a little desk where you can just work on anything. But you know, the very special thing about this room is that we've got the panoramic view. See out there is panoramic view of Phang Nga Bay, so we are able to see like islands around, including Hong Island. Okay, Hong Island. We can just take a little boat trip to islands around here as well. So this is like very special view from, you know, our own balcony. All right, and it is also connected to the balcony of the bedroom. So I'm going to show you how we can walk to the bedroom. Okay, so from here you've got the view of the ocean and also the view downstairs of the resort. Okay. All right, here. Okay, so when you feel like you want to relax or you want to, you know, chill out with magazines or just doing nothing, you can just lie down here and then just look at the view. Wow, it's breathtaking view. Actually, this view is quite special. All right, okay, now we can just enter the bedroom from here as well. And this is the bathroom I'm going to show you next. So this is my master bedroom. Okay, very well designed. I can say that it's contemporary design, mostly made of wood and recycled materials. Okay, and the mix and match of southern Thai cultures as well, like this patterns of this cloth here. Okay, and that wooden cardboard is like reminding us to save water, to save the environment. So if you place this on the bed sheet, so they don't wash the bed sheet as long as it's on the bed. Yes, and you've got another screen right here in your bedroom. It is connected to your walk-in closet. Okay, walk-in closet or a dressing area. Okay, you've got your mirror right here. Okay, your place to place your luggage over here, and a big wardrobe over here. Okay, it's kind of a Thai style furniture as well. Why? Okay, cool. And this is what I love, the bathroom with a view of Phang Nga Bay as well. So you've got your toilet area, your double sink area, and your tub over here, or shower area over here. So you can just opt to shower here or in a bathtub. Okay, but you can enjoy the view as long as you want from here. Okay, and of course it is connected to the balcony. Wow. All right, last but not least, I'm going to show you the private pool. Okay, just follow me. Okay, it's huge. Right, so okay, here, before we just jump into the pool, I'm going to show you a private steam room as well, so you don't have to go outside your room to have this. You can just have, you can enjoy the steam room in your own place. Okay, and then last but not least, your own private pool with panoramic view of the resort and the Phang Nga Bay. All right, wow, beautiful, isn't it?